I just want to talk to you about how I would tackle a border and clearing it up at this time of year, making decisions about what to cut back and what not. So obviously the Sedum here, the Hylotelephium, is looking great, as is the Salvia amistad. Those are clearly going to stay for quite a long time. Whereas I should probably cut back this perennial sweet pea. It's been glorious, but doesn't look great now, and it's leaning into other plants. The Persicaria, still looking really nice, but has a tendency to lean once it gets soggy, and so I shall be cutting that back probably a bit later. Whereas the Verbena bonariensis will keep its structure all winter, and so I will almost certainly leave that until early spring before I cut it right back. And I just work my way on through a border, making decisions. I shall keep most of this geranium here, this hardy geranium, except the bit that's leaning over the path. It's protecting the soil. Whereas this Hemerocallis here has got lots of dead leaves, which I know are underplanted with spring bulbs. So I shall be cutting those off so that the spring bulbs can be seen clearly when the time comes. And so that's the way. I'm just making decisions all the time about what I'm going to cut back and what I'm going to leave until springtime.